Have you ever stopped to consider the rather unexpected origins of some of our most common household appliances? Did you know your microwave, that convenient box sitting in your kitchen, exists because of a melted candy bar? It wasn't the result of a meticulously crafted plan or years of dedicated research, no grand plan, just a happy accident, a stroke of pure luck that changed the world. Back in 1945, a self-taught engineer, a man deeply involved in the cutting-edge technology of the time, working diligently on radar tech, noticed something rather peculiar. His pocket snack, a chocolate bar, had melted rather rapidly when placed near a magnetron, a key component in radar systems. That gooey mess, that seemingly insignificant incident, sparked a revolution in how we cook and how we perceive convenience in the kitchen. The story isn't just about the pursuit of convenience, it's a testament to human curiosity, the insatiable desire to understand the world around us, and the immense power of unexpected discovery. Imagine, sophisticated military hardware, a sticky pocket filled with melted chocolate, and a flash of insight, a moment of realization that would ultimately transform kitchens forever. Sometimes the greatest breakthroughs, the most impactful inventions, aren't the result of years of meticulous planning. They're simply stumbled upon, discovered by chance. The journey from complex radar technology to reheated leftovers in a matter of minutes is wild, filled with initial skepticism, countless hours of experimentation, and the unwavering pursuit of understanding. So next time you effortlessly use your microwave to heat up a quick meal, remember, it all started with a melted candy bar, a curious mind, and a serendipitous moment that forever changed the landscape of our kitchens. Let's dive into the fascinating story of how that seemingly insignificant moment became a ubiquitous kitchen staple, a device we often take for granted. The man behind the melted candy bar, the accidental culinary pioneer, was Percy Spencer. He was a self-taught engineer working at Raytheon, a company deeply involved in radar technology during the 1940s. His expertise was in developing and improving radar systems. In 1945, while diligently testing a magnetron, the vacuum tube that generates microwaves for radar, something unexpected occurred. He noticed the chocolate candy bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, rather than dismissing it, he recognized that the magnetron might be responsible, and he started experimenting to understand the phenomenon. First, driven by his scientific curiosity, he placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron. Almost instantly they began to pop, flying everywhere in a burst of activity. This provided undeniable proof that something significant was indeed happening, that the microwaves were having a tangible effect. Next, with a growing sense of excitement, he decided to cook an egg using the same method. The egg exploded with considerable force, splattering its contents all over a colleague who was nearby. It was messy, a bit chaotic, but ultimately revealing about the power of microwave energy. These initial experiments clearly demonstrated that microwaves could rapidly heat food, cooking it quickly and efficiently from the inside out. Spencer, with his inventive mind, quickly realized he could harness this power and put it to practical use. He began working on a solution, and he built a metal box, carefully designed to contain the microwaves and direct their energy. This invention, born from curiosity and experimentation, was the world's first microwave oven. It wasn't the result of a corporate plan or a market survey, but rather the product of one man's insatiable curiosity and dedication. These early failures and unexpected results became stepping stones to a revolutionary invention, and soon the executives at Raytheon recognized the immense potential of Spencer's creation. The microwave's origin story serves as a powerful reminder. Always pay close attention to the weird, the unexpected, and the seemingly insignificant, because it might just hold the key to changing the world. From a ruined snack, a melted candy bar, to a completely new and transformative way to cook food. It all began with a simple yet profound question. Why did that happen? Percy Spencer's story is a testament to the fact that innovation often begins with a healthy dose of curiosity, a keen eye for observation, and an unwavering willingness to experiment and explore the unknown. And so, the microwave oven was born, ready to revolutionize kitchens and cooking habits in homes and restaurants everywhere. But how does this marvel of engineering actually work? Let's take a closer look and see. What's happening inside your microwave? It's all about physics. The magnetron blasts out microwave's high-frequency radio waves. These waves target water molecules in your food, making them vibrate billions of times per second. That vibration creates friction, which generates heat, cooking your food from the inside out. That's why foods with more water heat up faster, and why your plate stays cool. The metal walls reflect microwaves, and the turntable rotates your food for even heating. Never put metal inside, it can cause sparks and damage. Next time you reheat leftovers, remember it's a dance of molecules and energy. The first microwave, the Radirange, debuted in 1947. Huge, heavy, and expensive. Only hotels and military kitchens could afford it. Over decades, engineers shrank the size, cut costs, and made it safer. By the late 1960s, countertop models appeared, making microwaves accessible to families. The 70s and 80s saw microwaves become kitchen essentials, with features like turntables and digital controls. Today's microwaves are smarter. Some sense steam, others double as air fryers or connect to your phone. From a 750-pound behemoth to a sleek, smart appliance, the microwave's evolution is a story of relentless innovation. It's proof that even accidental inventions can become everyday icons, but are they safe? Let's bust some myths. Let's clear up the biggest myth surrounding a common kitchen appliance. Microwaves don't make food radioactive or cause cancer. These are common misconceptions that have lingered for far too long. The word radiation just means energy moving as waves. It's a fundamental part of the universe. Think about it, radiation is all around us, like sunlight warming your skin or radio signals bringing you your favorite music. Microwave ovens use non-ionizing radiation, a type of energy that's much less powerful. This type of radiation can't damage DNA or make food toxic. It simply causes water molecules to vibrate, generating heat. Your food doesn't become radioactive, just heated. It's the same principle as cooking on a stovetop, just using a different energy source. Worried about leaks? That's another common concern. Modern microwaves are built like Faraday cages, a clever design that ensures safety. This design effectively blocks waves from escaping, keeping the energy contained within the oven. The mesh on the door keeps microwaves in, acting as a shield, but it cleverly lets you see your food as it cooks so you can monitor its progress. Safety interlocks are also in place, designed to shut off the Magnetron, the device that generates microwaves, if the door opens during operation. Any leakage is far below safety limits, adhering to strict regulations and guidelines, so standing nearby while your food heats up is perfectly safe for you and your family. The real risk? Steam burns from hot food, not radiation. Always be careful when removing hot dishes. So, watch your popcorn pop without fear, and enjoy the convenience of this modern appliance. The science is clear. Decades of research support the safety of microwave ovens. Microwaves are safe, effective, and here to stay, making our lives easier and more efficient. Let's look at what's next for your kitchen, as technology continues to evolve and improve. The future is even brighter, with even more innovative and safe kitchen appliances on the horizon. From a melted candy bar to smart kitchen tech, the microwave's journey is a lesson in curiosity and innovation. The future? Microwaves that scan barcodes, talk to your fridge, and cook with precision. Solid-state tech could let you cook a steak and warm veggies perfectly on the same plate. Every gadget in your home has a story like this, full of invention and surprise. So here's my challenge. What tech in your home do you wonder about? Drop your questions in the comments. Let's explore the hidden histories together. Like, share, and join the conversation. Because every great discovery starts with a simple question.